Here we are in the fig greenhouse on July 7th, and we're going to do a little update on the air layers. And the one you're looking at now that is the most pronouncedly rooted out is the fig cup. The great thing about this cup is you have the ability to, when you water your tree, you can put a little water in here and do a good job keeping it moist. This thing here is ready to take and send to a new home. Now, we'll back off over here and we'll look at these other two air layers and see what they look like. Alright, this one here don't look too good. It does got some roots in it, as you can see right there. It did root, but I think it got broke at some point, but it don't look very healthy. It still looks like it's alive, but just wasn't in a very good place. Now here's the one up here. If you remember, I didn't. We're going to come up here, use any hormone on it in this peanut butter jar, and as you can see, it's got quite a few roots on it all over the place. No doubt about that. It's getting close to being ready to come off and go to its new home. So there's those couple there. We'll see. We got one or two more here to look at. We'll see what they look like. All right, so now we're going to look at the ball. I'm going to cut it open here. That's easy enough to take care of. We'll see what the roots look like on it. It's only fair that we open it up and really get a look to see just how the ball did. Oh, wow. You know, that makes you feel good about it, that's for sure. And I'm going to tell you something, you have to water these things. They do better if you water them. So it's important to be able to water them on kind of a regular basis, as you can see. But looks like good success on all the air layers. You can pretty much do them however you want. So just remember, whatever you do use, you need to try to, I know guys use sandwich bags, and I still had problems with the sandwich bags drying out. So for me, any of these methods where I have the ability to water makes it so much, I have such greater success, as you can see. These have all took. So thanks for watching.